What happens if you eat cheese every day? Eating cheese every day can have both positive and negative effects on your health, depending on various factors such as portion size, overall diet, and individual health conditions. Here are some potential outcomes. 1. Nutritional benefits. Cheese is a good source of essential nutrients like calcium, protein, phosphorus, and vitamins A and B12. Consuming cheese in moderation can contribute to a well-rounded diet and help meet your nutrient needs. Cheese is a good source of important nutrients such as calcium, which is essential for strong bones and teeth. It also provides protein, which is important for muscle repair and growth, as well as vitamins and minerals like phosphorus and vitamin B12. 2. Weight management. Cheese is energy-dense and high in saturated fats, so consuming excessive amounts can contribute to weight gain and potentially increase the risk of obesity. It's important to consume cheese in appropriate portion sizes and consider its calorie content within your overall calorie intake. Cheese is relatively high in calories and saturated fats. Consuming excessive amounts of cheese on a daily basis without considering portion sizes and overall calorie intake can contribute to weight gain. It's important to enjoy cheese in moderation and consider it as part of a balanced diet. 3. Heart health. While cheese can be high in saturated fats and cholesterol, research suggests that moderate cheese consumption may not significantly increase the risk of cardiovascular disease in healthy individuals. However, those with existing heart conditions or high blood pressure should monitor their intake due to its potential impact on cholesterol levels. Cheese contains saturated fats and cholesterol, which are associated with an increased risk of cardiovascular disease. However, recent research suggests that moderate cheese consumption may not significantly impact heart health in healthy individuals. It's important to consider individual health conditions, such as existing heart conditions or high blood pressure, and to choose lower-fat cheese options when possible. 4. Digestive health. Some people may experience lactose intolerance or sensitivity to specific components in cheese, leading to digestive issues such as bloating, gas, or diarrhea. If you have lactose intolerance, choosing lactose-free or aged cheeses with lower lactose content may be more suitable. Some people may have lactose intolerance or sensitivity to certain components in cheese. Lactose intolerance occurs when the body has difficulty digesting lactose, a sugar found in milk products. This can lead to digestive discomfort such as bloating, gas, or diarrhea. Choosing lactose-free or aged cheeses with lower lactose content may be more suitable for those with lactose intolerance. 5. Bone health. Cheese is a good source of calcium, which is essential for bone health. Regular consumption, along with a balanced diet and physical activity, can help support strong bones and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Cheese is a good source of calcium, a vital nutrient for bone health. Regular consumption of cheese, along with a balanced diet and physical activity, can contribute to maintaining strong bones and reducing the risk of osteoporosis, a condition characterized by weak and brittle bones. 6. Allergies and sensitivities. Cheese is made from milk and can trigger allergic reactions or intolerances in individuals with dairy allergies or lactose intolerance. It's important to be aware of any allergies or sensitivities you may have before incorporating cheese into your daily diet. Some individuals may have allergies or intolerances to dairy products, including cheese. Dairy allergies are an immune response to proteins in milk, and lactose intolerance is the inability to digest lactose. If you experience adverse reactions after consuming cheese, such as allergic reactions or digestive issues, it's important to seek medical advice and consider alternative options. It's crucial to maintain a balanced and varied diet that includes a wide range of nutrient-rich foods. Moderation is key when consuming cheese or any other food item, and individual dietary needs may vary. Consulting with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian can provide personalized guidance based on your specific health circumstances and dietary goals. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.